Hi there, welcome to another Lexical Lab 1 Minute English video. If you want to see more of these videos, please subscribe to the channel. And why don't you check out some of our courses on www.lexicallab.com. So, in one of those classes the other day, we were talking about environmental issues, and one of the students was complaining about the recycling services in her area. She was collecting all her plastic bottles, glass, cans and things like that. But then when she was trying to get rid of them, she had to drive round the local area searching for a recycling bin. And basically, that defeats the purpose. In other words, she was trying to recycle to save energy, but then she was wasting lots of energy using petrol in order to find a place to recycle her stuff. This kind of thing isn't unusual. For example, recently the government has introduced new rules around COVID, encouraging people to work at home again. But at the same time, they are saying that it's fine to have a Christmas party in your office. It defeats the purpose. We stop spreading the virus by staying at home, but then we go in and have a party and hug each other and have drinks together. It's crazy. It's like, for example, when you are on a diet and you lose a kilo or two, and to celebrate, you go out, have a big meal, a lovely cake, and a bottle of wine. It defeats the purpose. If you like this video, don't forget to like it. It helps other people find what we do. And why don't you share it or use the video in class to help your students learn more English. See you again soon.